Money and health. Two things that everyone wants in their lives. This video is going to show you how you can achieve both at the same time, doing one simple thing, walking 10 minutes per day. How crazy does that sound? It sounds like something way too good to be true. I didn't believe it the first time I heard it either. Why would I? But now, I'm actually doing it. So just hear me out. If you commit only a few minutes to watch this video, it could change your life. What I'm about to share with you is a project that's in the crypto and NFT space that I truly believe hit the jackpot when it comes to that big idea. Imagine making money for walking. It just sounds impossible, but the project I'm about to share with you has made it a reality. What if you got paid just for walking, jogging, or running outside for 10 minutes every single day? What is that? 1 block, 2 blocks max? Walking around your neighborhood and earning money? Now that sounds great, but how much money are we talking here? Well, for 10 minutes, it could be anywhere from around $30 to $100, and you can walk or run more to earn more. But this is around where you'll be starting off at the base level. The project is a move to earn app called STEPN, and it's something that you should not ignore. The concept behind it has too much potential benefit to you in multiple ways. But this video is not going to cover the details on how to get started and how it works. This video is about creating awareness. Awareness about the STEPN app and getting it out there so it can help so many more people than it already has. In fact, I learned about STEPN from another awesome YouTuber who is already doing a great job of explaining what STEPN is and how it all works in detail through many of his videos on his channel. His name is Barndog, and he has been using STEPN since the beta about 5 months ago. Since then, he reported that he went from 180 pounds down to 165 pounds just by using STEPN every day. And he's been making money while doing it. And there are many others who have shared their weight loss journey on the STEPN community Discord too. People spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars trying to lose weight and get fit. STEPN literally pays you to do it. Most people don't have the willpower to walk or run on their own every single day, even if they know it's good for them. But STEPN has the earning aspect that gives you that extra daily motivation to get up and move. Now, of course, what's the catch? Something this good can't be free. And it isn't. You will need to invest a bit of money upfront to get started. But you'd be investing in yourself. For me, it was around $1,500. This would be an investment in your health and a way of giving yourself a nice form of passive income. After all, this is a channel about investing and passive income, mainly for Canadians, but this is for everyone. No matter where you live, you can use STEPN in any country. It's available on the App Store and on Google Play. All you need is a phone with GPS and data and an upfront investment of about $1,000 to $2,000, depending on the market. It might sound like a lot of money, but think about all the useless things you've spent money on in the past. This is actually something that is going to benefit you health-wise, and it'll basically end up paying for itself and even more in the future. Health and wealth. These are two of the most important things in life. You can have all the money in the world, but if you're not healthy, how are you supposed to enjoy life? STEPN literally gives you both. And this is why I believe in the project so much. Not only because I'm involved and invested, but because of the amazing concept behind it. It just makes so much sense, and you'll understand what I'm talking about after you go ahead and do your own research. So, I highly recommend that before you jump into anything, go and check out the STEPN website and check out Barndog's channel, and educate yourself on how it all works. But remember to keep an open mind when learning about it all. The crypto and NFT space can be a scary place, there's no doubt. But so can any investment when you don't know anything about it. Educate yourself and understand it as best as you can. And then, when you're ready, pull the trigger. I can tell you that this has been one of the best decisions I've ever made. It's only been a couple of weeks for me, and I'm already feeling the benefits of walking every day. My lung capacity feels amazing, and I've already lost a couple pounds myself. On top of that, I'm actually making money with this. Every walk, I'm making anywhere from $80 to $100, sometimes even a bit more. This adds up to something like $560 per week or over $2,000 per month, for walking 10 minutes every day. And I'm getting into shape. You cannot beat that. So like I said, go check out STEPN, go watch Barn Dog's videos, educate yourself, and share this video with your friends, your family, your coworkers. Everyone can benefit from this. Everyone wants to get fit and everyone wants to make money. And we can do both together.